please. When you ask for something, adding please makes you sound much more polite. For example, instead of just saying, "Can I have coffee?" you can say, "Can I have coffee, please?" See? It's so much nicer. Let's say it together. Please. Good job. Just remember this simple rule. Use please when you ask for something, and thank you when you receive something. Let me give you a few more examples. You can say, "Please help me," "Please wait," or "Please come here." You can also put please at the end of the sentence. For instance, "Can I have some water, please?" Notice how it works at the beginning or the end? Both are perfectly correct. So start using please today to sound more polite. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.